Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace Volkswagen Golf and Jetta hood insulation pad in just only 4 steps. You can find the insulation pad for your Volkswagen Golf or Jetta in the video description. This is a new insulation pad. The price for this insulation pad for Volkswagen Golf Mk5, Mk6 or Mk7 is about 40 to 55 euros. So this is our insulation pad. If you can see, it's damaged very bad and we have to change it. So the first step is lift the hood and remove those 5 clips from the insulation pad. You just have to squeeze and then just take them out easily. You can use a pry tool or a trim removal tool. So the next step is to remove the insulation pad and replace it with a new one. So this is the old insulation pad. It looks very bad. That's why we had to change it. So the new insulation pad comes also with new clips, new plastic clips. They are easy to install. It's easy to install. So install the new insulation pad. Then put those plastic clips back on the hood. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.